numero ndị Igbo ya marụ no mma nke onye chiri ya zero. I love you guys, okay? So my number one question goes to the Igbo as a whole. Igbo, just generally for the Igbos. Biko ndị Igbo. Question m jiri wee bịa today. Una, when this whole thing was happening, mgbe mụ na Ogechi Okeke na-enwe this issue on this blue app, achọrọ m ịjụ unu biko unu unu ada ahụ whatever that was going on that time, ma nwoke ma nwanyị ma dimkpa, in fact, like everyone, old, young, everyone. Does it mean you guys were not seeing all these things going on? I believe all of you were seeing it. This thing that is going on, these two women, these two ladies, what is going on? Can you guys forget this, or can you guys forge ahead, or can you guys apologize to each other? I felt humiliated. The whole of Ndi Igbo na social media, this same Ndi Igbo kampotara and stood for them and agitated with them for onwe Ndi Igbo, without minding anything, without minding na mụnwa nwata nwaanyị gara di n'ije mba n'obodo Awụsa, obodo ugwu, without minding that this is a nwata nwaanyị na-alụ di n'aka ndị Fulani. I came out. We did the fight together without minding anything. At some point, I mean, all of you Nonabunu, you guys does not even know what I was passing through inside the northern region. Nobody knows. Just because I felt, okay, all women they here. I can't just leave them, no matter what, no matter, in fact, even at that point, the whole thing was almost ruining my marriage, but I still never cared. The day I quit from my agitation of the referendum of Ndinkai was Mohammed Charana Sabo a Sabotua. I came out. I cried. I shed tears. I'm like, Munka, na sabotage on how? On which ground? On what? But still, the same freedom. They came out. Now, a saboteur. I look up, I look down. I'm like, does these people really want life risks they take to them? Do they really want it? I know how many times my support, in fact, even I'm not gonna say much, but I know how many times my support I call the attention of my husband. I know how many times. When I said calling attention, Onogama, where the call should be coming from, I still see that I will see the end. I remember when I spoke with Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa told me, Nne, Itrayana, you have tried. You have done your best. For now, calm down. for your safety. I remember that time. He told me, "Ne, bar break." But still, the people Anu ended up saying that I look like the Anwa Hanacho. Why? Because a lady called Ogechi Okeke Njaka Muri that she must destroy me. Now this blew up. That will get destroy him. That I will watch Now I will not watch anything again. Young Wodi, she used to say it. You guys were seeing it. At a point, I had to send somebody. Go and beg her for me. Okay, I'll go there now. O feel it na major. Ya hapo maka. Ya hapo family mo. Ya hapo umunne mo. Ya hapo everybody that related to me. I know that lady, Amaramoyo, was like, she said she's a police officer, Obi Abuja here. Because I used to forget so many of these people. And the lady, I believe the lady got watch her that thing, she will still come back to her platform and start where she stopped from. Sometimes I, like those videos some people were playing. Of course, when it's too much for me, I do come out sometimes and talk. But even that I'm talking, I never showed her picture. I never said, this is you here. Like she indicated so many of my pictures and said that I should take her anywhere. I remember when she removed the picture of my child. I have the video. Picture of my daughter Mkunanka. Na she want eji ka anga na nwa na-eji ka anya ahịa na-akpọ ikwikwi na lekwede nwa ikwikwi alekwe nwa nwa jiri. O megidele ihe to the extent she sent people to my village. Ha ga video mam. Ebe mam no na aso nko na meal. They should go and video my mom. The lady yana I the thing. Who the onye ba anyi self, and this is the same lady. Mbonna ya nwuru. One way zende by Mbonna ya nwuru so mu a wonye ji efi in terms I don't know about men mu a wine wonye ji efi we gara ya condolence gara ya mgbaru na bai ndị bai na akpa mgbaru egoro mu nama bugara ya na be ha. She's not my friend. I don't know her. Muna ya da na akpa nkata. I think I saw her twice in my whole life when we were young kids. But yana this same lady came out to destroy me. The lady not there now why about my family, about my mother, about my pama about umunnem. Or what he had that day. And that was the day Ndi Chedina Bai gave me victory on this whole thing. Because as a bai Mua was also one burunama where a jambaru na bear. It's just like parents in nam de canu mazin namo de canu. Esim bai send their people Hajiru Dehi where jambaru condolence visit to Abia State. But this same lady came to humiliate me. And that was the day Ogechi Beragoshi picture. Now see, you kidnapped these children. You kidnapped them. Take me to anywhere. Ndi chedina na bai. Within na ya ngunone njenyi were jemerog. That day kahabara marere. There is nothing this lady did not do to me. And all of you were watching. In the whole of this blew up. Simone. All of you are watching happily. Why she swear Even when I sent for someone to go and beg her for me, let her leave. At a point, I left. Maybe I have put my social media myself. I don't even come in again. I don't even do it again. At a point, I have to leave. I still almost 2 years or 3 years. That's why it's like my page is coming up now. I don't do media again. I don't do stuff again. Maybe no, I go to TikTok and like maybe I just go off. I'm a woman. Before these things happen, people come to watch me. And when I feel like watching others, I go to their platform, I watch them. She comes there, start attacking me. That I must go off social media. Even that she said it, I did what she said and left the social media for her. Oh, megidemi hem ju kama maga ha choge. Instead maga ha choge. Let the worst happen. I'm not going to repeat Iyahumuru because I've fulfilled that Iyahumuru. When any member of my family, she did not humiliated. Onwero. Ometara kwa adanne mu ko umunnem niine. I'm like, you are going too far. How I wish you make them get happen nozo. I will have the mind of forgiving. I will have the mind of letting go. I've never seen such a thing. I have never. In my whole life, I have never, and I don't wish to see something like this again. And don't something like this again. I will go more than where I went now. Anybody guys know a problem, yeah? You will come out humiliating me. I don't want to have issue with anybody again. I have tried my best. So someone Igbo Garadi na Lausa that came out to stood for her people. It's fine. But all I'm gonna say is, even the people that are supporting her now, I don't want to mention names. You guys saw when all these things was happening. People that I'm put that today will call him, you are our father. We will call him, you are our mentor. We will call him, you are our hero. They saw all these things. They could not call the both of us and like they could not invite us. They could not put us on conference call. They did it. They allowed these things to keep going on. At some points, I'm like, does it mean that Igbos hated me? Go again. I felt like on a high hate I hate when I'm while I'm the same person that stood Megide Daokwo because of Mazin Namodikan, I did a book. And everybody saw it. And I came even when they were arresting. Irefe Biafra, they will arrest you. And each of my birthday, I dedicated to him. While Mji were pick your interest on this whole thing was almost some preaching ya na-eme. You know get the preaching na na-eme peganya na-egoshi what is happening around the world, not even just our own country. Ihe na-eme n'ụwa, he's preaching na na-eme peganya. Ghana the more enlightened. Now what is going on? That was when I started picking interest. And I'm like, okay, let's do this whole thing together. I'm a Mumbane, like the whole thing was so, it was so, I mean, so good too much. I know when I came out, on a video mirror. In as much as Nlokwara Lugu, Nkowara Ndugu, Neka Ndi Igbo, Neka Ndu Igbo. The whole thing went everywhere. Ana akpọ call, ana ekwu, ọkwanwegi na-eso ndị Igbo na-eme. Ọnwụ baka na di m hụrụ m n'anya like love o nwere ebe nọ. Mụ na di m esechala because of this agitation of everything. And I capitalized him na di m hụrụ m n'anya. That's why I'm just stood firm and do it. Amam na worst comes to worst, Oga Hashim la. He can only gradually not try Mamgejiri. But at the end of the day, all I could get from everyone was nobody cares. Mandi na bia asim hapo gaya. Mandi na bia asim hapo laya. Nobody cares. Nobody asked me. Nobody called. Even the people we should look up to them still went in getting sand for her. Instead of this same person in Womanaya and Womanaya Kuoku, I will listen to what he said. Yakuoku, I cannot say no. If he opens his mouth and says Nne Ozola, I will not say no. But all they do was, okay, let us fight with this lady. Let us do it with this lady. I will not say anything. But today Kayama she will put no way can happen, no get destroy him. I hope you guys saw where the whole thing is today and where the whole thing has landed everybody. I'm gonna say this thing now. Nimo bimu inside my heart. Eburuzimo Ogechi n'obi. Before I had her nimo bimu. O me ara sige na mmadu na-ese okwu ga-eburu onye ahụ n'obi. And when once ibu mmadu n'obi, o Chineke ka ọ dịra, both you and your thoughts and your mind. But I don't have her anymore be me again. Eburuzimi n'obi cha-cha. But all I'm gonna say, justice must prevail. There is nothing I can do about this whole thing. It's beyond me. Okwanorozim naka. I have fulfilled iyim omegidem here so now get destroy him. Unwokwani na aga ma happy ya. Muna ga emegide the government ekpe muna ya. She used to say, she would come out and say, I have destroyed you, I have all the videos. Then the more that I will not let go until and this is it today now. We are on the process. and I'm happy. And I fulfilled with so much. But all I'm going to say is justice must prevail. Always the justice God is in Naka, or where is the head is in Naka. So I don't want people coming to tell me, don't leave her or leave her. No. Where were all of you watching me now? Mbo two of us with this problem. Even when I sent the policewoman twice. I can't recall her name, but all based in Abuja. I sent her, I'm like, please go and beg this woman to leave me. Yeah, she's an American citizen. The same thing. Because na be ebulim because of Yama. Maroon. And what am issue with you people? If you guys don't want to leave me alone, I will make sure Nigerian government, under the office of Chief of Army Staff, they will write to American Army, American soldier. They will write them. They will write them. On her behalf. Because when I say it, you people will think and start saying she's threatening people or not. It's not a threat. Because I'm begging all of you. You people should leave me. I realized that now. And risk myself to them, my life to them. If you people continue, the next they will call the attention of her husband. Nigerian government will call the attention of US military. They will call their attention. He will start knowing. US army with so person's wife, they will know what is going on. Uno happen, Marika. Uno happen. You people should leave me alone. You people should leave me. Let me have peace. Because what you guys did to me has caused so many things to me. Has caused BP to me. Has caused so many things to me. If she cannot tell you people to leave me, next they will signal American Army without her DA to call his attention. And I have his videos as well. Ebo sopane ekum. Uno happen maka like this. You people should leave me. I am begging all of you. You people should leave me. I don't know Facebook. I came here to fight with my people for their referendum, for their freedom. I came here for the liberation of my people, nothing more. I don't need anything from Facebook app, whatever, money or whatever. You guys can see my page for so many years. I'm not interested on that. She came here for one thing or the other. Since I'm not loved, I'm not welcome, people are regarding me as anything. Because of at least regard them. How can make a dozier? And I will accept it because I don't want all those things going on. But nobody did. All they enjoy, they derive joy. Because you people should leave me alone. Because if you guys continue, I'm telling you guys the truth. Okwa ya maka unu na-eme. If you guys don't want to leave me, unu ga-anọ here, ya eme unu n'anya. The next thing you people will hear that, yes, Nigerian government are called the attention of US Army. I call upon the attention of her husband. Unu hafu maka. I have forgiven her deep inside my heart. And this forgiveness is coming from, number one, I have fulfilled with so much, because all make them here na only justice get big bemanaya. The same thing no get destroy him na social media, no get destroy my career, no get destroy my political ambition. And everyone was watching. You need destroy your onye oburu gi kere. You need destroy your onye mara agbara oju ebe ụwa nke ya. Please, I'm begging all of you. Kudo chia. Ịnọrọ na platform gị hapụ m aka. Akọga ha m n'ubi gị. I will never call anybody's name until my end time. I will refer to anybody, or I will call anybody's name. I will never. But if you don't leave me alone, if you don't leave me, you people now potane ne bully me together with her. If you guys did not leave me alone, ya ulono neme moya magana no the idea. Una sekwana oba jore dorunu like everyone choosing her from. I don't mind. I don't mind. I cannot withstand this kind of trauma again. I cannot withstand this kind of humiliation again. I can't even. And one of them would be to withstand it again. I cannot, because I went through hell. Unu sikwado no muwaziga wozonyo no pota. Unu ejine mehe soro unu. I swear to God, imecha me feel I'm not Nigeria. Then again when abroad, you have all the rights to bully. Is your First Amendment right. Imecha me lota Nigeria government take beremuna gipe. So no happen because I want them gacho. I got anyone me chop mad. Onyola no wrong way. You people should leave me in peace. Since all these things there's a lot to talk about, a lot to air, but I'm not this kind of person. From when this thing be done, I haven't come out and sat down like this. All these things. A lot. I keep hearing people, this person will be saying this, that person will be saying this, but I don't know anything from my own mouth. And I'm not interested to start talking, this is what is happening, this is what is going on. I don't am interested. All I want is, I want my peace. And at the same time, I want the peace of everyone on this social media app. You people should create peace for yourselves. Both you that is watching me and both Ogechi as well. Onya will create a peace. Mariam, the way they are seeing us, as in these people are something else. Mariam haga pushing like that. Ndị ugwu na-ahụta ndị Igbo something else. Ndị Yoruba na-ahụ ndị Igbo something else. Because I'm channel on this same blue app, this social media. But in Kendi Igbo Kanjo, every time it's all about fighting each other, fighting themselves. I think it's hard time. Onya will stop, warrior. You guys should stop. Mind Ogechi na fight, mind na fight Ogechi. The whole thing has ended. You know, okwe ebiele now. You guys should use your platform and start up another thing. It's not an issue to be talking about. All governments got their anaka. If you come to your page, I believe you should focus on another thing. Onye na government ga-enwe issue. Onye ahụ agacha lọta, onye ahụ sịkwa na ọ ga-emekwa the same thing mere ya nwee problem. Except maybe onye ahụ adịgo addicted to that. But onye ọla on his rightful senses, he nwee problem once. Ị gacha nke ahụ lọta, gị jikwalata onwe gị. The two persons I respected on this whole thing that I would have tried my best was my mom and Ogechi's mother. These two mothers, they were the people I listened to them. Yauruna Yenda Nine Mayo Wenkia Mandi Yanasu Yauru na ha pụtara mee ya mgbe ekwesịrị ịchọwa ewu ojii before chi ejie mee ya in a way all the supposed to handle. I don't think that this whole thing would have gone far like this. Should I say it's the will of God, or everybody is trying to see, okay, can marry more can Megan. And when I married here, police are the Ebu. Police are the Madabo. It's all about your evidence, my evidence, other people's evidence. Ekbe once and for all, this is limitation of other things. This is limitation of other things. That's all. Please, achọm kudochia ka onye ọla n'oro onwe onye ọla focus so ịpụta na social media ya ọ na-eme ihe iji onwe ga-eme, that is your problem. But for me, I'm not interested, and I'm no longer interested. And the Mariam on social media, ejide number, but don't call me. Don't call me. Because when you keep relating with some certain people, you want a problem, Ganadi. If Mariam this blue app, you have my number, don't call me. Don't WhatsApp me. Just day your day. I don't need all these things. Any day more than I'm more. I am done, I am dusted. Because it's all about nonsense talking. Nothing more. All I know that justice must prevail. Mbwanta mbobna, come rain, come sun. Eteroba eterose. Next time, you guys won't do our elders that we are looking up to. You people should try and make peace. I'm got a lot of people coming to my inbox. Men of God. A lot. But these same people were there, but this problem never happened for years. And I watch. You get very sad moments mmadụ ibe gị na-catch phone. Apụta na-ekwu mmadụ ibe gị ya na-atọ gị. And when all these things was happening, you guys will not see me talking. You guys will not see me saying anything. I will not come to my platform. Uno na-echekwa onye a, how does she used to feel? Uno na-echekwa ya. Today now I have BP because of this thing. Am I hiding it? I'm not hiding it. Mgbe ị ga-anọ mmadụ ibe gị a na-ekwu nne gị na-ekwu nna gị, ọ na-ebi echiche. Okwu ụmụ gị, ya kpọọ gị uncircumcised, ya kpọọ gị alụmajiri, ya kwuo nne gị, ụsụra nne gị, ma ọkwa na ụmụazị na-ara nne gị. Ndị Igbo, I swear to God, ndị Igbo, ma dimkpa ma nwata ndị Igbo, if you people cannot come out and stand firm, unu hapụ ihe ọjọọ many of you people na-eme mere n'ihu gwompete na nso, I swear to God, ala Igbo ga na-enwe problem steady. Ya unu agaghị stop unu hụ ebe mmadụ ibe unu na-agafe limit of line ya, unu agaghị kpọọ onye ahụ dụọ ya ọdụ ma ọkwanụ nne stop ma ọ na stop ma ọkwanụ ka egbu udo. Ya wuru na ala ugwu ka mụ na this girl na-enwe problem a mma all this ndị Mariam abata na this case. Ndị Mariam ahụ dịka like our pastors, ha abata na this case, they will caution us, they will invite us. That's how they do. I'm not about ndị Yoruba because I don't really know their culture. Mana ndị Igbo ga-anọrọ ụmụ Igbo ala egbu onwe ha, na-egbu ụmụnne ha na ụmụnne ha na-ese na-ekwu, ha na watch na catch fun, make it like it's fun and you don't know how the other person feels. So please, you people should talk to yourselves. Mind, we have people we look up to them. They should start doing the right thing. Everybody is on this social media app. Even the dignitaries, are not on Instagram. Many of them were accounts, but they don't handle it. And I go see how many people that handles it for them. Some of them even do it by themselves. They see what is going on. So because Imana those your gangs, like you used to call them warriors, talk to them. Because if they continue, so Mariam, what problem, huh? The whole thing. If they continue, gonna find this whole thing. If they continue, so I don't want this thing to continue like this. Me too, I'm begging you, talk to them. But if you don't want to talk to them, if they continue, I told you, the next thing they will invite your husband on this issue. In the sense that the American government, the military, where your husband is working, what is going on this blue app with you and I and other people as well. So what happened so that let's just know how to sort this whole thing out. See how they should leave me alone. If they did not, I am telling you my mind. If they did not, I gotta call the attention of your husband. Maybe his working place now. What is going on? What is happening with your wife, with the people, and what is it? And different issues will start arising. It's my choice. That's what I wished. Oh, and then in the other places. My wish is what I want. Nnam no when ke alụrụ onye Awụsa sef. Nna nke m. So na m gara alụ onye Awụsa. It's not a crime. It's choice. Nna m lụgide lụọ onye Awụsa. Ask. Jonye ọla onye Igbo ka ha gwa gị. And ụmụ ya, ụmụ the woman ụkwụ ụmụnne m were all together. Na mụrụ ụmụ ịlakwa ụmụ malụma jiri ụmụ nwa n'ala Igbo. they can still come to Igbo. So why all this stigma? Why? Why all this? The more you guys are doing this, the more all these things is causing more problem. Wando Tsugi, everybody should pay his day. I don't even want to go far on this thing again. Yawuru na genwa within digging a hapo came out and do the rightful thing. Can we dozier this thing? The whole thing with Akama Kageshi were everything. But I don't know. Yeah, Ukunishi were choy. Because just tell your people to leave me alone. Half in a pomo and the manjiri, half in a body uncircumcised, I have all these things. And this is why I wanted us to go to the justice. So that Kanyagi boundaries of where you're not supposed to cross. That is what it is. And not even only me. You got tired lota. You get treads with caution. Give and don't go here. Give a guy, you got solatazi. Give on your own niggas. No, let me not go far. And then we are all aging. Every day we age. Every day we go close to our graves. Even if we're destined to live 100 years, 150 years, 80 years, or whatever. But every day we sleep and wake up. We are getting there. The day, the month, the hour is reducing. It doesn't worth it. And we all got kids. Wow, onyo na ineme gechetapana. Ukwata azum ma norozie. Ihe metere ọ ga-abịa sowo ụmụ. Ihe mụwa metere a ga-eji echuwa ụmụ. Nobody knows. That's why ụwa ị na-eme gị na-eche ihu gị na-eche azụ. Be calming down. Take it easy. Why do you mean me? It could be anybody at any given time. Oh, when they na lakun ha ga-etete. Oh, when they gari aga. Ha otaka nke ha si wede. Oh, when they so many ways. Oh, we are wuro mmadụ echi ka ihe mmadụ ga-akọ. Nne, take care easy. Please. Ịgacha nka, lọta nka. Ya wuro ma ndị a ha nke na ha nso ada agwa gị okwu. Take care easy. Take care.